students. Today let us start the class. Today's topic is CRM, that is a consumer relationship management. It is an approach to managing a company's interaction with current and potential customers. CRM is a system allows business to manage business relationship and the data and information associated with customers. It is a goal is a simple improve business relationship. A CRM system helps companies to stay connect to customers and its improve profitability. And also CRM is directly contributes towards customers benefits and the growth of business. It is called as a CRM. Okay, who is customer? A person who buys goods or service from a shop or business. He is called as a customer. There are the types of customers. First one, loyal customers, discount customers, impulsive customers, need oriented customers and wonders. So first we'll see the loyal customers. They are the completely satisfied customers. Though they are less in numbers, they can promote more sales and profit. And second one, discount customers. These customers, they are buying before changes according to the rate of discount. Next one, impulsive customers. They don't plan to buying anything specific in advance, but they are argue to buy anything that they find goods and productivity at the time when they are in the stores. Third one, need oriented customers. They have a specific product on mind and then often they plan before buying only. They only buy when they need a products. This type of customers we are calling as a need oriented customers. Next one, wonders. They are the least profitability one to a business. At times they are not sure what to buy. They are normally new in the industry, so they are called as a wonders. In this they have the three types of buyers: high value customers, high future lifetime value customers, benchmark customers, and another one is door openers. Inspiring customers, they are force the suppliers to change for betterment. So this they suggest product improvements or inform the specific suppliers about opportunity of cost reduction. They are the some of the important ingredients of CRM. It is also known as a CRM system. In that, first one, analytic. Analytic is the process of studying, handling and representing data in various graphical formats such as charts, tables, etc. Then second one, business reporting. Business reporting includes accurate reports of sales, customers care and marketing. The third one, customer services. Customer services is the provision of service to customers before, during and after a purchase. So it involves collecting and sending. So customer related information to the concerned department. And the next one, HRM means human resource management. It involves employing and placing the most eligible human resource at a required place in the business. And the another one is lead management. It involves keeping a track of the sales, lead and distribution, managing the companies, designing and customized form, financing the mailing list and studying the purchase pattern of the customers. And another one is marketing. Marketing, already we know that marketing involves forming and implementing sales strategies. Then next one, Salesforce automation. It involves forecasting, recording, sales, processing and keeping a track of a potential interaction. And the another one is last one, workflow automation. It involves streamlining and scheduling various process that runs in parallel. So these are called as an ingredients of CRM. Next one, difference between CRM and ECRM. Already we crossed CRM. ECRM means electronic customer relationship management. So here we have to see the differences. Customer contact made through fax, retail store and phone in CRM. In ECRM, wireless are used for customer contact. Next one, views different based on the audience in CRM. Personalized individual views based on purchase in ECRM. Next one, motion and maintenance in more expensive as the system in CRM, and in ECRM less time involved as implementation and maintenance can take place at one location and on one server. So students, we can see here objectives of CRM. First one, improve customer satisfaction, expand the customer's bases, enhance business sales, improve the workforce productivity. So already you know that objectives of CRM. And next one, customer management strategies. They are the 7 cores of CRM or CMS. In this we can see first one, start a relationship, protect the relationship re-engineering, enhance the relationship, harvest the relationship, and the last one, end the relationship. In this form, the company should be have customers relationship with their own plans and strategies. So let us conclude the CRM. CRM enables a company to align its strategies with the needs of the customer in order to best meet those needs and thus ensures long-term customers with their loyalty. Can be major factors that gives the competitive advantage for the maximum marks and customers.